I want to ask you something. Are you one of the 97% of people that do not pursue your dreams because you feel locked into your job or career? Perhaps it's because you're too afraid of taking risks even though it would be meaningful to you to pursue and fulfill those dreams. Or perhaps you would quit, but whatever the case is, if you answered yes, you must stop. Stop and ask yourself why you're not happy with your job, your career, or why you're not pursuing your dreams. The truth is, you should be afraid of taking risks. It is my belief that you should be more afraid of staying where you are. That job just may be killing you, your soul, and your dream. And you're paying the ultimate price by sitting there in misery with the time clock ticking. If you could have what you needed and wanted, what would it be? Where would you be 5 years from now? What would your life look like? Envision it, smell it, feel it, taste it. Conversely, what would your life be like 5 years from now if you haven't made any changes? Well, you'd still be where you are today, only older. In reality, you'd be going backwards because others around you are growing and fulfilling their dreams, leaving you behind. Having a vision and the ability to properly align yourself with your ideal life through small achievable goals may not always be easy, but it can be done. By taking small and consistent actions towards those goals, you can and will move towards the ideal life you desire. It's inevitable. When you continue to water and fertilize a plant, what does it inevitably do? It grows into what it's designed to become. The same can be said for achieving your ideal life. I quit my engineering job several years ago because I didn't want a life of suffering any longer, and I discovered there's a vast trend of this happening. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reports a record number of people quitting their jobs over the past decade, with over 3.4 million people quitting in the month of May 2019 alone. The fact is, there are millions of people who are simply not happy with their current companies or positions. And looking at the data, it's nearly certain that the trend is going to continue. People all over the United States are discovering they're living a life of suffering through the work of companies they dislike, and they're taking action. What are you going to do? These people are quitting to pursue roles within other organizations, which again, they may or may not like. Then they'll most likely hop to another job after a short time, not ever taking the time to realize why they are truly unhappy, while many others quit to pursue entrepreneurship and work towards their ideal life. Listen, we all have responsibilities that we must face. We have children, mortgages, car payments, college tuition. We can't just quit and walk away from those things. A plan must be strategically thought out. There's a fantastic quote by a former American social reformer by the name of Frederick Douglass, and I quote, "Knowledge makes man unfit to be a slave." With the rise of the internet, people are leaving their jobs in record numbers to become freelancers, new business owners, marketers. There's copious amounts of information and opportunities on the internet for individuals to become super successful. Millions of people every year are cashing out on their overworked 9-to-5 jobs and are cashing in on the greatest opportunity of their lifetime, therefore breaking the ball and chains that bind them. My name is George Drew. I'm the founder of Handypreneur, and for a living I help hundreds of customers with completing home projects as well as helping individuals recognize their self-worth and start profitable handyman businesses of their own. I know the handyman business isn't for everyone, but if I can help end the suffering of the rare few who dare to change and are also handy, I can provide them with a proven system to follow, thereby setting them free. By bringing clarity and motivation to the lives of those individuals who recognize their self-worth and seek massive change, the Handypreneur provides these self-recognizing superheroes, as I like to call them, with a success chapter of their own. This proven system begins with understanding why the individual wants to quit their current position, then moves into affirming that starting a profitable handyman business is the right path for them. The system covers the entire handyman business from defining their why to marketing and financial strategies that make every job profitable. It's the entire gamut. Handypreneur focuses on teaching and supporting the business aspect of running a handyman business, as this is where most individuals struggle and ultimately fail. If you seek change in your life and want more free time to do the things you love, continue to pay your bills, and be profitable, check out Handypreneur and see how this system will create the change you seek in your life. Avoid becoming another statistic who's overworked, unfulfilled, and where you suddenly leave this life due to the stress of fulfilling someone else's dreams. It's time to start doing you. It's time to live your life on your terms, and Handypreneur will help you make that happen. How interested are you in making a change in your life? Be the first to hear about exciting news and updates with the Handypreneur Handyman business development platform, including the public beta. Don't worry, that's all we'll email you about. Enter your name and email address below to sign up for Handypreneur updates. Now let's work together and set you free.